Search history, how to play. The object of the game is to be the first player to 25 points. Setup. Shuffle the deck and set it face down on the table. Give each player an answer pad and a writing utensil. The player with the nearest birthday is the leader in the first round. Give a player the score pad. The leader draws the top card from the deck and reads any phrase of their choice on the drawn card, careful not to read the bold words, which is the answer. Now, on their answer pads, all the other players write down their names and an answer to the phrase prompt that they think is the correct number 1 suggestion from a search engine. When finished, players turn them in to the leader without letting any other player see it. The leader writes the correct answer, the bold text from the card, on an answer card of their own. The leader collects all the answers, including their own, and mixes them together. All duplicate answers are removed and cannot be guessed. If anyone wrote the correct answer, the leader reads it aloud and the round ends, gaining 4 points to each player who wrote the correct answer. If no one wrote the correct answer, then the leader reads all the answers aloud, one by one in a random order. Beginning with the player left of the leader and continuing clockwise, each player guesses which answer they think is the correct one. Players are allowed to guess their own, but they don't receive a point for doing so. The leader is not allowed to give any hints or clues to which answer is correct. If the leader is struggling to read an answer, they can take a player aside to get help. Once all the players have guessed, the leader reveals the correct answer and points are scored. You receive 1 point for each player other than yourself who guessed your answer, and you receive 2 points for guessing the correct answer. The first player to 25 points wins. Some alternate rules you can play with are people's choice. When the round is over, anyone can nominate another player's response for bonus points. If majority agrees, then the player who submitted that response receives 2 bonus points. Originals. Use your favorite search engine to find new suggested searches to add to the game. Up to date. Instead of using the answer on the card, the leader uses their phone and a search engine to find the most current answer for the prompt phrase on that card and uses that as the answer instead.